Hey, Virgil. Hi. Can you talk? Oh. How are you? You good? This is Virgil reporting live. That's funny.
What's on there now? I can't make out what it is, huh?
Hmm? Oh, I'm actually
You need, you could ask him if he needs help.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Oh, I see what you're doing now.
Of course, he has his able assistant sitting right down here.
hey, buddy.
Similar half hour, okay.
He's got a out of place feather or something right here, huh? Or something. Wow. He looks so close. Such a cute little bird. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. What gave God the idea to give this bird cheeks like that? To give a bird rosy
So
cheeks.
He'd be appealing to
Yeah.
birds of the opposite sex.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody has flush cheeks in their world.
Yeah.
You're awesome.